Now, Vodafone has made the first legal move on the government's contentious proposal to refarm spectrum and has moved the Delhi High Court against spectrum refarming. What exactly does Vodafone's petition say? Let's get in Mrinalini Krishna, who now joins in with the latest details. Mrinalini, what's Vodafone's stance?
Vodafone is the first telecom company to challenge the Indian government's decision of refarming the 900 megahertz spectrum. In fact, Vodafone, in a petition that it filed before the Delhi High Court today, said that it is illegal for the Department of Telecom to auction the 900 megahertz spectrum till the DOT takes a final call on the company's application seeking an extension of license. Remember, Vodafone got its license in 1994. It expires in 2014, and this is what it is seeking an extension for. It's already filed with the DOT. DOT has not taken a final decision on the application yet, and which is why in its petition Vodafone says that the auction can only happen after the DOT's decision on this extension of licenses. And it also said in its petition that licenses can only be extended as per the contract clauses. In a statement that was issued shortly after by the company, it says that licenses and policy provide for continuity, and the DOT's decision to auction the 900 megahertz band is arbitrary, and it is against the policy as well as licenses. It's disruptive as well as against public interest. In fact, Vodafone's Martin Peters, speaking to ET Now just a few days ago, had said that the government has not thought through this entire refarming process. It will impact the existing players. They will have to rebuild networks. Remember, the government is looking to auction the 900 megahertz spectrum in 4 circles just next month. But this petition comes in after the Supreme Court said that the telecom companies could challenge the refarming decision in lower courts. So clearly, as far as the Indian government is concerned, legal woes from the telecom sector are far from over.